Everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix two-factor authentication loop on Mercury Bank. I'll start with the first step, which is to identify the 2FA loop. So you enter your Mercury password, get sent to the verification code screen, type the correct SMS code, and Mercury just sends you back the same screen. So that's the 2FA loop. And it's almost always caused by stale cookies and out of the sync phone number or an SMS delivery issue. Next step is clear browser cache and cookies. So on the mobile Safari, you go to the settings, tap on Safari, clear history and website data. And on the Chrome desktop, you go to settings, privacy, clear browsing data, and then cookies and cached files. So you have to close the browser fully and then reopen and try logging in again. So this alone fixes the loop in most cases. Next step is reset your 2FA method. So if the loop persists, sign in from a private or incognito window. So go to the settings, tap on security, and then go to two-factor authentication and tap reset 2FA method. So Mercury will email a recovery link to the account owner. So open it and choose Authenticator app instead of SMS. So this one it's far more reliable. Next step is scan the QR in the Google Authenticator. So install the Google Authenticator or Authy. This is one password on your phone. So scan the QR code and then Mercury will show the on-screen and a new Mercury entry appears with a rotating 6-digit code. So you have to type that code into Mercury to confirm the switch. Lastly is your backend. So you have to log out and sign in one more time using your new authenticator code. So the loop is gone. You will land straight on your Mercury dashboard. This is a green 2FA successfully updated. Those confirms the change. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!